how to add YouTube app on your desktop screen or your laptop screen. So if you want to add the YouTube application, then you can simply open up your browser and then you can go for the upper right, and here you may have install YouTube option. But if you don't have that option, then you can simply go for your YouTube, go for youtube.com and make sure to log into your account. So once you've logged into your YouTube, now you can simply go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and here you can go for more tools, and here under more tools you may have create shortcut option. Tap on create shortcut and then you can name the shortcut, and you can create your shortcut. And once you create your shortcut will be appeared on your desktop or your laptop. So if you still don't have that option, then you can simply drag your screen to the rightwards and make space for the left, and here you can simply take your YouTube and you can drag that. And once you've dragged, now here if you remove your tab, now if you click on this, then it will automatically take you to your YouTube on your browser. So that's how you can add YouTube to your desktop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.